Hi everyone. Most of you must be thinking that almost for last one and a half month actually, I am not uploading anything on YouTube. And what is the reason for my disappearance? Some of you also sent me messages asking if I'm okay. So I just wanted to update everybody that I have been in India for past 1 month for personal reasons, settling up my daughter in India because she's shifting to India for her graduation, and I also had to finalize the location for the retreat in India, and there were some other agendas. However, when I came to India, um, I had a severe health issues. Those health issues also started even before I left Dubai, and it continued. And somehow I was understanding that this is some cycle is ending in my life, and there was this very severe purging kind of a experience. I was having heavy fever. I was not well. I was very weak. Vitamins were going low, so going to doctor, doing tests, concentrating on my eating, all that was happening along with my mom. So it was a very beautiful time in my life where I was spending days with my mom and my daughter. So all three of us were staying together after a long time. So it was a very significant period in my life. So I have just come out of some sort of a purging, which I consider now probably has ended because I received some sort of signs, and there is something very beautiful that unfolded. I wanted to visit Mahavatar Babaji's cave, who I consider my guru. His cave is located in Uttarakhand. It is a very beautiful state in India, and you can even call it a spiritual place because many ascended masters in India have their presence in Uttarakhand. So many people visit different places like Rishikesh and Haridwar and many other spiritual ones. There are lots. So I definitely wanted to come here and visit Babaji's cave. And then I felt that it's a rainy season, it's a long journey. From my place, I really have to take a flight of 2 hours, and then it's a bus journey for at least 11 to 10 hours. That too in the raining season where there are a lot of landslides happening. So I was a little skeptical whether I should really come to this place this time. So I kind of postponed that whole journey in my mind. And somehow, the just 2 days after I gave up on my thought of visiting this place, Akanksha, who has just recently taken my interview on her podcast, she called me to ask me when I can do the recording of our podcast. And she said she's not available in August because she's visiting Babaji's cave. And I was zapped. I said, when are you visiting Babaji's cave, and can I come? Because I just gave up on this thought. So she said there is a whole group. There is this person called Master Pallavi. I don't know if you all know her. She is absolute young spiritual leader in India. Also a disciple of Mahavatar Babaji and Master Patriji. So she is having this specific spiritual visit to Babaji's cave. So I said, can you please ask the admins, because I really want to come and I don't want to travel alone because it's too far and I don't know anything. So she inquired, and I was literally pushed into this group at the last minute. So I know that it was just my calling, and I just happened to be here. So even before I knew, without any hassles or anything, I was just transported here with this group at this beautiful place. So right now I am at my hotel, and what you can see in the background is the beautiful serene mountain range with a lot of greenery in Uttarakhand. This place is called Dwarhat, which is pretty much near to Babaji's cave. So right now I'm going to start my journey towards Babaji's cave, and I'm really excited, and I'm really looking forward to this experience because it is a very high vibrational place and kind of a portal. If you go there, so many people experience a lot of transformation and shifts. So I'm absolutely looking forward to this. Since many years, since I have known Babaji, and since I have understood that he has always been there as a guiding force in my journey. So this is a real milestone for me that I'm here today, and I obviously wanted to share all these things with my audience, or all those soul sisters and brothers who are with me always in spirit, right? Like, not, we are not together physically, but everybody's, the collective's energetic presence is always felt by me always. So there is a lot of unfolding in my spiritual progress or a spiritual journey, my connection with my twin flame. There is a lot, but I'm right now not, I'm just containing myself from sharing everything right now. Once I am a little stable, when I go back and I am having a little mind space to share all these things, I am definitely going to share these things, and I would obviously resume with my normal activities and with my YouTube videos. So till then, please have patience. See you. I would keep everybody updating on my activities. Thank you so much. I can probably just show around. I don't know how much you can see, but this is the place where I am staying right now, and it's amazing. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.